fidget trade with us.
Okay, while my sister sets up the board, I'm going to show you my squishies. Okay, so I have this. Guys, and then I have all these. Guys, she's singing Pitbull. A Pitbull song. A Pitbull song. So I'm going to scan her and say that this, my butter, this, and this water squishy is from Pitbull.
Okay, the board is all set up.
Let's go.
Okay, so while Lissy is looking at hers, I'm gonna show you guys my bin. So I have like the color changing Neato, and I have the fuzzball, and then the iceberg, and then I have a bunch of these like silicone noodles that I really like. Okay, let's fidget trade now. Okay, you can add first.
Okay. I'll add this, my butter,
Okay.
and my little water squishy, and it's all from Pitbull. I was at his concert, and it's all from him.
Was that weekend when I was in Grand Forks for the hockey tournament?
Yeah. I went to him.
You went to Pitbull? Oh my god. Okay. Okay. I have my Neato fuzzball. The video cut out, but I have my fuzzball Neato Wonder Waves. I have my color changing Neato. I have all these silicone noodles that actually feel really good. I have this squishy, and it feels like a Neato, but it is off-brand. I have my Nice Cube Swirl and my teeny Neato Nice Cube.
Okay.
Okay.
Add, please. This is all from Pitbull.
Oh, I really want it though. Okay.
This is all from Pitbull.
I'll give you this big Neato Niceberg. Bro, you don't get it till after the trade. Okay. I feel like this is a fair trade.
Add, please.
What? Okay. I have a bunch of these like sensory stones, and they have like a good pattern on them. Every single one has like a different pattern. I feel like this is a fair trade.
Okay, girl, you need add, please.
Bro. Okay, I have this sphere that I got from my grandma. It's a really cool fidget to have, honestly.
Guys, she has one more thing in her basket. I'm going to take it. Okay, add, please.
This is the last thing I have.